Title: Runway Wailers face justice. Ex-cop lands in slammer after death-defying chase. TL:DR, Brian Cummings, an ex-Minneapolis officer, has been sentenced to approximately 9 months in jail following a fatal car crash during a high-speed pursuit. Cummings blew through a red light while chasing a stolen vehicle, resulting in a deadly collision with an innocent motorist. Time to ask, do the risks of hot pursuits outweigh their benefits? Buckle up, folks. Justice has made a pit stop in Minneapolis, and it's looking a bit like an episode of Cops Gone Terribly Wrong. Brian Cummings, formerly known as Officer Cummings, will now be spending his days behind bars, swapping out his police blues for an orange jumpsuit. His crime: a vehicular homicide during a high-speed chase that left an innocent driver dead. Yikes. The event unfolded back on July 6, 2021, when Cummings was hot on the trail of a stolen vehicle. Ignoring the glaring red light, Cummings plowed his squad car into a Jeep that had absolutely nothing to do with his pursuit. Unfortunately, the driver of the Jeep, Lenil Frazier, a 40-year-old man who was minding his own business, lost his life in the crash. A chilling reminder of the potential repercussions of a reckless high-speed chase, isn't it? This wasn't just a slap on the wrist and a demotion, folks. Cummings was handed a 270-day sentence in county jail after pleading guilty to criminal vehicular homicide. I bet he didn't see that coming when he started his shift that fateful day, did he? But let's not just chew on this story like a piece of juicy gossip. It raises serious questions about police pursuit policies and the potential dangers they pose to innocent bystanders. When does law enforcement's responsibility to apprehend criminals conflict with their duty to protect the public? And as for the Hennepin County Attorney's Office, they say the sentencing is an important message that every person in our county will be held accountable for their actions when they break the law. Pretty powerful statement, eh? But what does this mean for the boys in blue? Will this incident lead to a reform of police chase policies? Or are we about to see even more runway wailers in the headlines? One thing is for sure, Lenil Frazier did not deserve to become a casualty of a reckless police pursuit. As we turn the ignition off on this shocking tale, it's time to leave you with the thought to ponder: should there be stricter rules governing police pursuits to ensure public safety, or should cops be allowed the discretion to make split-second decisions in the heat of the chase? Sound off below, folks. Your opinion matters. Disclaimer: this article does not provide legal advice or endorsement of actions taken by the individuals involved. It is solely intended for informational purposes.